In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize shoes on 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. 2K25 features the option to customize shoes, and you will save all of them into your account and you can try them out, try different patterns, create new ones, and so on. To do this, you have to go over to the Features menu. So from the home screen or while you are in game, go over to Features. One of the options under the roster category on the Features menu will be Shoe Creator. So this is where you will be able to customize shoes. So go to Roster under Features and then choose Shoe Creator. Now you will see all of the options. First, you will select your brand. Afterwards, cut and then customize. So you will have the main options available here like low, mid, high, and then the option to edit it according to your preferences. And you will see a bunch of brands here at the bottom. So Nike, Adidas, and so on. When you choose any of them, you will see all of the options. The scroll bar is long, so there are going to be a bunch of models to pick from. For this video, I'm not going to cover every single one. I recommend that you spend a lot of time and you browse through all of these if you are interested in customizing all of them. Once you choose any of them, you will see the main options. So the outsole, base detail, base accent, base, underlay accent, and then underlay itself. There is a lot of things to customize. You will have a preview at the left side of the screen that you can move around using the right stick. You can zoom in or out, you can edit the layer, and you should always remember to save your changes. So after you have created your custom shoes, save them into your account and you will find them available the next time that you go over to your wardrobe. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you customize shoes in NBA 2K25, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.